Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Leah Marié, and today, as you can see in the title, I am doing a luxury haul where I'll be showing some of the items I recently bought. So if you're interested in this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, let's get right into this video. So let me turn on my TV. So yeah, so recently I purchased some items for my birthday and received some birthday gifts from my husband, and I'm super excited to show you guys officially on my YouTube. I did do a quick little story on my Instagram that, you know, showed you guys stuff on my story, my Insta story. So today I will be showing you guys like up close and personal details, and I'm not gonna really say the prices because I don't want to come off like I'm bragging or anything. So yeah, I'm not gonna be saying the prices, but you know, you can look it up yourself. I'm just gonna show you the items so you can see it up close and personal. Maybe if you want to purchase anything that I have, you can come back to this video and see, you know, the style and the information about what I have. So yeah, let's get into the least expensive thing I have, which is this KKW times Chris fragrance. This is the Kim Kardashian and her mom's newest perfume. I purchased this like a week or two ago, I don't remember, but yeah, I recently purchased this because I haven't really bought a like a real perfume in a while. I wear Bath and Body stuff, and there's nothing wrong with this stuff. It smells really good and it lasts all day, just as much as perfumes do. Excuse my nose, you know, it's struggle season. But this is the package, and like, you know, have like a little message or whatever on the back of the box. And this is how it comes. Okay, this is open in the box. And this is the perfume bottle, which is so artistic. Look at that. This is like clay in the middle with the clay top. Like, that's the material of it. And the perfume bottle is like marble. Like, it feels like a marble type of material. Like this. Let me fix my frosting. Yeah, so it's like pretty a small bottle, but you only need like a couple of and you're on the go. It smells like spring. It's a very fresh, refreshing smell. This actually can be your everyday type of scent. If you don't have one, this is definitely an everyday type of scent. It's not too strong, but it's, you know, noticeable. You know, you definitely will be turning heads with this one, honey. And yeah, it's just super dope. I love the packaging. You know, the Kardashians always come through with the packaging. I really do love this. I don't know the name of it. Yeah, I don't know the name of it, but it's super dope. It's the newest one. And yeah, I just wanted to get like a perfume or whatever. I already have some more, so that's why I didn't spray none. But yeah, this, honestly, I'm not using this as of right now. I just tested it on me when I got it, and it smells super bomb. And yeah, this is just a good everyday type of smell. So yeah, go check it out. So the next thing I've recently got as a present from my husband is my new iPhone 11 Max Pro, which is what I'm filming on right now, and also my rose gold Apple Watch, and it's so poppin'. This one is the 40mm gold one, and this is the bigger watch face. I haven't wore it yet. I just gotta set it up and everything. And so this is how it looks. And it's like a pink band with the rose gold side face, you know, whatever. The back of it. I'm quite sure y'all saw Apple Watch before. But yeah, I'm so excited for my Apple Watch. And once I start working out, or whatever. I'm gonna start using it to track my me running and calories and stuff like that, because it is good for that. So yeah, I just got an Apple Watch and my rose gold iPhone 11 Max Pro, which is popping, by the way. I'm so excited. Like, that's one of my favorite gifts that I received this year for my birthday is my phone. Like, I was super excited about my phone. But yeah, so it's the 40mm gold Apple Watch, if you want to know. So next purchase I got as a present for my husband. We got matching Yeezys, and these are the 350s, and they're popping. Let me show you guys. So this is the packaging. I also showed this on my Insta story, but you know, to see it up close and personal, I'm gonna show you guys. So these are the sneakers. I haven't worn them yet. I just tried them on. And I know they look big, but they don't look big on my feet. And they just have like a lime green, red, like a like a sky blue, tan, black, multicolored type of sneaker, pink insides, black around. Yeah. So these are super comfortable. And my husband is obsessed with Yeezys now. This is his second pair of Yeezys. I bought him a pair a couple of weeks before his birthday, because our birthday is a week apart. So I got him an early birthday gift, and I bought him these navy blue Yeezys. And then I wanted a pair, so he bought me these, and then he wanted another pair, so we got matching Yeezys. So yeah, these are the matching Yeezys. I don't know how much they are because he bought them, but they can be expensive. I think these are one of the cheaper Yeezys, but they can go up to like $1,000, $2,000. So yeah, so those are dope. These are my second pair of sneakers. I'm not a sneaker girl. I have a pair of like running shoes, like Nikes, and then I have these, and I probably get another pair of Yeezys as well, because I saw another pair that I like. So yeah, those are the 350s. Go check them out. Go cop you a pair, sis, because they're so comfortable and good quality shoe. So the next item is my Louis Vuitton. So yeah, these are the LV, it's called the LV World Bandeau, and they come in all types of colors. So I took it upon myself to buy me one. They go like this, or they can go like as a headband, but I wear mine as a headband like that. I wore one the other day. So this is the black and white one with the gold details in it. I don't know if y'all can hear me. Hopefully I can. I have the TV on in the background, sorry. But with the gold details in it, and it's just super cute, and it's a silk material. So yeah, if you get these dirties, I think you will have to take it to the cleaners, because you definitely can't wash these, I don't think. And what comes in the box is just the envelope with the receipt is in here, the shipping, the return label, and yeah, that's it. So that's what comes in the envelope. So yeah, that's one of them. And then one is here, and this is the brown one, which is my favorite one, honestly. So this is the one I wore the other day that was on my Insta story. It's just super chill. So it's just like a brown color, as you can see, with the tan details. And this one is reversible because you can wear it on this side too. So depending on what you have on or what bag you carry, you have to options to wear it, so that's why I really do like it, and it matches my bag. And yeah, this is called the LV World Bandeau, so you can go check that out if you're interested. So last but not least, do I have everything? Yeah. Last but not least, I did purchase a Louis Vuitton bag. Ooh. Louis Vuitton bag, and this is, I forgot what this is called. I think this is called the Speedy 30 Brider. It's in French, but you'll see it. You'll see it if you go on the website, and it's basically the same as the original Speedy bag, but it just have a strap which costs a little bit more. So yeah, this is just, I want a everyday type of bag, and I already have like my MCM tote that I did a what's in my bag video to. I'm gonna do what's in my bag video to this soon, and well, tell me if you guys want to see that, being that I'm showing the bag already, but I could show it again and show you the things that I have inside of my bag. And yeah, I forgot one thing, but I'm gonna show you afterwards. So yeah, that's called the Speedy 30, and you're gonna see it. I think they have it in white and they have it in the brown color, and it's the one with the strap, because they have one without the strap, which originally I was gonna get, but sold out. Like, I don't know what's going on. I think y'all using your tax money. Y'all using not your tax money, but your unemployment money to buy bags. Why? I mean, that's fine, do what you want, but I'm just saying, like, I would never think that something on Louis Vuitton would be sold out, because they're not like a cheap brand. Like, excuse me, I was like a heartburn. They're not a cheap brand, so it's really shocking when I go on there and see stuff that's sold out, like no more, out of stock. Like, it was a couple of things that was out of stock, and I was just so shocked. So I mean, do you, sis. So you, girl. Item that I forgot to show you guys was my Burberry glasses. I also gave a little sneak peek on Instagram, but you know, to see it up close, I will show you guys. So it comes in that box, and then inside of the box it comes with the actual sunglasses case with the little dust rag things for the sunglasses. And yeah, so these are the sunglasses, as you can see, and let me get them out. And these are so dope, like so dope. Oh, you can see my reflection. But yeah, these are so dope. They have the word Burberry on the side, which is white, and in the middle, as you can see, it does say Burberry in gold. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it says it in gold. So yeah, these were super cute. I just had to get them. They're different. I don't see a lot of people, well, I never saw nobody with these on. Not saying that nobody had them, but you know, I like to get stuff that is not common. And I love cute sunglasses, like obsessed with cute sunglasses. So yeah, that's pretty much all the things that I got recently as far as luxurious. These are more so birthday gifts. This is not just because gifts, but there's nothing wrong with having just because gifts, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, these are all for my birthday. Like, my birthday trip was canceled. My birthday was pretty much, yeah, not my birthday trip, but my vacation was canceled, and my birthday pretty much is canceled amongst other people's because of what's going on. And even though your birthday is not important compared to what people are actually going through in the world, you know, it still sucks, because I'm like stuck in the house. I can't even do the bare minimum because being quarantined. So, but it is what it is. Grateful to be healthy and alive at the end of the day. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys, you know, make a cute little purchase and tag me in your purchase and let me see what you guys bought. If you bought any of the items that I've shown you guys, please tag me on Instagram. My Instagram will be down below so you guys can go follow me. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay in.